How to take square photos on your iPhone. In this video, I will show you quick and simple way to take square images on your iPhone. By default, phone pictures are taken in 4:3 aspect ratio. But if you are looking for a square format pictures, then just follow these steps. First, open Camera app on your iPhone. By default, camera will be set to 4:3 aspect ratio. To change this, tap the arrow at the top center of your screen or swipe up on the screen where it says photo at the bottom. Once options appear at the bottom of the screen, tap on option labeled 4:3. A menu will pop up with three options: 4:3 which is default, 16:9 for full screen, and square which is 1:1 format. Just tap on square to change your camera to a square aspect ratio. Now position your subject in the viewfinder and take the picture. The image will be saved in the square format. If you want to return to the default 4:3 aspect ratio or try 16:9, tap the arrow at the top center or swipe up from the bottom and select the aspect ratio as per your needs. So that is how you can take square photos on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.